Hello everyone, we'd like to show you the process of installing your curved rectal ultrasound probe into the Reproarm. Now this applies to the Reproscan Curve and the Reproscan XTC models. So this is a curved probe, as you'll get with either of those models. And this is a 32-inch regular Reproarm. We start by inserting the probe from the back, through the Reproarm, bring it up close to the tip, and then seat the bottom of the probe, or the back of the probe, against the back of the opening in the Reproarm. And then turn the Reproarm sideways, pull it against my side. I'm using my middle finger on the tip, my thumb on the cavity, or beside the cavity at the back, and my index finger on the face of the probe to apply very light pressure to the face of the probe. I'm going to be flexing the tip of the Reproarm back with my middle finger and thumb, and then applying a very slight amount of pressure. You heard it go in there, and that is installed. I'll show you that up close. So the tip of the probe is well into the Reproarm, and it's very secure there. Now to get it out, the easiest way is to hold the ultrasound probe face down, get your index finger and pointer finger, if you like, underneath the tip, and just flex them up. The probe will drop out. I'll show you that one more time. So once again, middle finger on the end, index finger on the face of the probe, thumb on the back, flex it back, and went in silently that time. And then to remove it, 2 fingers on the end of the Reproarm, thumb on the back, flex it, probe drops out. Very easy to do with a little practice. I would recommend practicing it a few times. And I do recommend removing the probe and cleaning both the probe and the Reproarm after every use. Otherwise things get very difficult to get apart, and you can damage the probe if it's been left in for a long time. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Have a good day.